Are you struggling to organize your WordPress templates? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge when managing multiple designs. Today, we're going to tackle how to effectively use subdirectories for your WordPress template files. I totally get it. It can be overwhelming when you have numerous templates for pages, posts, and formats. Keeping everything organized is crucial for a smooth workflow. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create a structured directory for their WordPress templates, including subdirectories for page templates, format templates, and post templates. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's the issue here? WordPress allows you to use subdirectories for organizing templates, but it can be tricky to implement correctly. Understanding how to structure your theme files is essential for making your templates easily accessible in the admin panel. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you streamline your template management even further. To begin, the user should create the necessary subdirectories within the template parts directory. This will help organize the different types of templates they want to use. Next, the user needs to create the template files within each of these subdirectories. For example, they can create a file named custompage.php in the page templates directory. Now, the user should register these templates in their themes functions.php file. This will allow WordPress to recognize and use these templates when editing pages or posts. Finally, the user can go to the WordPress admin area and edit a page or post. They should see the new templates available in the template drop-down menu. Fun fact, did you know that organizing your files can actually boost your productivity? It's true. A clean workspace leads to a clearer mind. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by a user suggests organizing your template files into subdirectories. For example, if you have a template file named templatefile.php, located in directory 1/directory 2, you can access it using the getTemplatePart function. You would write getTemplatePart with the path to your file, specifying the template name and the specific file. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution shared by another user involves moving all WordPress template files to a subfolder. They found a code snippet on Reddit that allows you to change the default folder for template files. This code can be added to the functions.php file of your theme or child theme. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by a user involves adding a filter to include page templates from subdirectories. This method uses the globe function to find directories in PHP files, then extracts template names from the files. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to create your own WordPress theme. This theme will reside in the WP Content Themes directory and can include all your PHP templates and CSS resources. They also mention that the getTemplatePart function only works as part of a WordPress theme, emphasizing the importance of setting up your theme correctly. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach suggests creating a template file in the page templates directory for each design you want. To make a template accessible from the WordPress admin, you need to add a specific comment at the top of each file. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review and clean up your template files. This will help you maintain an efficient workflow and prevent clutter from building up. And there you have it. You now know how to create a structured directory for your WordPress templates. Remember, keeping your files organized is key to a smooth development process. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video.